Okay, this is a chart of ECA. That's the stock symbol. This was a few days ago. This looked really good to me, and I had this. This was one of the top stocks I was watching for that day, but then it gapped up on some good news. You had a high here, lower high, and a little bit of a lower high. Nice volume coming in. So I love the chart. But here's what happened. Let me scroll over now. Gapped up. See, when it looked like this, looked great. Then it gaps up. And now has been selling for a few days, kind of filling the gap. Maybe we'll see. And today these are 15-minute candles, very narrow range. So this is one of our stocks. We have about 6 stocks on watch for tomorrow in our live trading chat room, and we'll add as the morning unfolds. Like GCI today, we found in the morning had a nice trade in it. So didn't even have that on watch last night. So we always watch the first few minutes, see where the volume is, and hope to catch an early trade. But we also start each day with a list of potential stocks, and ECA, to me, deserves to be back on the list now. I mean, I love this little breakout, but I hate that it did it via the gap after 3 days down. Do I have a trigger price for you? No, because I have to wait and see how the market trades, how the market opens, how ECA itself opens in the morning. So keep in mind, all of our entries are made intraday over the microphone and with chart projections in our chat room. So there's no way of knowing how it's going to trade in the morning. But we do try to send out some charts that we like every now and then, and ECA is one of them. In a nutshell, if it can trade in a narrow range for the first couple hours, then it breaks the high of the day. After trading in a narrow range, I would be comfortable taking a high of day break, even though normally I don't like buying high of day breaks. So, but there's any number of ways that this could set up and give us an entry. And I'll follow up tomorrow night with a video on whether or not we traded ECA in our chat room at all. But I do like this. I mean, if you take those few candles out, this is a very handsome chart. Nice pop here, another volume pop, and then the gap just kind of took the wind out of, I think, what could have been a nice breakout. But after pulling back for 3 days, if you count the day that it gapped up, there's 1, 2, and it's getting pretty tight. To me, this is just a potential long trade here on ECA. So again, I'll follow up with a video tomorrow night. We'll see if to cover whether or not we traded this thing at all. And we'll talk about in the video some other trades that we took on Thursday as well in our live trading chat room. So that's it for now. ECA, keep your eyes on this as a potential long on Thursday.